Hi, I'm Aron from 2H Media. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to add a product collection in Shopify. From the Shopify dashboard, navigate to Products and then Collections in the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. From the Collections page, click the Create Collection button in the top right-hand corner of the screen. On the blank collection page, the first thing to do is enter a title for the collection. The title should be short and descriptive, and its complexity should depend on the complexity of your online store as a whole. For example, if you sell a wide range of products, shirts may be an appropriate collection title. On the other hand, if you sell a more specific range of products, say you're a luxury clothing manufacturer, you might want to break that down into more detailed collections, such as dress shirts versus t-shirts. For this example, we're just going to title this collection Rubber Ducks. Continuing down the page, it's important to add a description for your collection. We've gone ahead and pre-written one that's about the right length and captures all of the key information for this collection. An effective collection description will do two things. It will tell your customers why they might want to purchase the products in this collection, and it will tell customers what features these products have in common so they understand how your products have been grouped. After the description, we come to the collection type section, where we can choose between creating a manual collection and an automated collection. To create a manual collection, click the Manual Radio button and then click the Save button in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. It will take a moment for Shopify to refresh the page, but when it's completed, you'll see a Product section has replaced the Collection Type section. Within the Product section, click the Browse button to bring up a list of products in your online store. Once the list appears, click any number of checkboxes next to your desired products and click the Add button. To remove a product, simply click the X to the right of that product's listing. To create an automated collection, the process is slightly different. In the Collection Type section, if you select Automated instead of Manual, you'll see a number of condition settings appear. Within the conditions settings, you can choose whether a product must meet all conditions or at least one of the conditions in order to be included in the collection. To select your first condition, click the leftmost drop-down menu, which is titled Product Tag by default. When you select the drop-down, you'll see that you can create conditions based on a number of different product features. In this case, we're going to filter by price. By clicking the second drop-down, you'll see a number of comparison methods that can be used to check if a product passes your condition. In this example, we're going to select is greater than. In the price field to the right, we're simply going to enter a 0. This will allow us to filter out products that haven't had a price entered yet in the back end of Shopify. To add our second condition, we simply click the Add Another Condition button. In this example, we're going to choose product type is equal to rubber duck. By setting up our conditions this way, this collection will only show products with the type rubber duck with a price greater than $0. Whether you've created a manual collection or an automated collection, the next step is to look at the collection availability in the top right-hand corner of the screen. By default, the online store sales channel will be selected. If you've added additional sales channels to your online store, you can use this section to choose to include or exclude this collection from any given sales channel. Next, let's add a collection image. To do so, you can either click the Add Image button to open up an Explorer window, or if you've got an image handy on your computer, you can simply click and drag it into this section. After you've uploaded a collection image, it's important to click the Edit link and enter descriptive alt text for your collection image. Enter alt text that describes what's happening in the image without using filler words or marketing jargon. Then click the Save button. The final setting to take a look at before we launch our collection is the online store setting labeled Theme Template. In most cases, you can leave this set to the default, but if you've set up custom collection page templates, this is where they will appear. As soon as you start entering settings on your collection page, a save bar will appear at the top of the screen. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click the Save button to publish your new collection. So there you have it. If you followed along with this entire video, you now know how to create a collection in Shopify. If you want to display this collection in the front end of your store, you first have to add it to a menu. To learn how to create a menu in Shopify, check out our video on creating menus.